As a business owner, you're probably always looking to make more money, right? How can you do that for practically free? Now, the way you're going to do this, it's actually a 68% increase in profitability over finding a new customer. So you're not going to find a new customer. You already have the new customer and you're going to upsell to them. And what does that mean? So in marketing language, upsell is adding on to what they've already bought from you. I'm going to give you a couple examples. So you have probably been upsold to if you're in marketing or you have your own business and you've bought a course, and when you go to pay for the course, they're like, wait, today only for $14.99, you can add this on, right? Not like Billy Mays, like, that's not all, because he didn't charge you more, but this charges you more. So you get a free book, pay shipping only for $7, but today only for $49, you can get this additional course add-on. If you're a restaurant, you could add on an appetizer today only for $5 if they bought a whole meal. If you're a dentist, you could say, schedule your next appointment now and I'll give you this percentage off. But then your books are full, so you know somebody's going to be there. So if you're not sure what you could do to upsell for your business, drop a comment. I'll see if I can give you some ideas.